Hello, I'm Vicky from Dynamics Fanatics, and I know how challenging it can be when your business is growing and your software just doesn't keep up. That's why I recommend Dynamics 365 Business Central, an all-in-one business management solution that fits you. Designed for industries like manufacturing, retail and service, it unifies your finance, operations and sales teams with its cloud-powered efficiency. It streamlines your processes, drives sales growth and improves service delivery, all in one platform with a fixed price, fixed scope solution. Transform your business today with Microsoft 365 Business Central. Experience predictable costings and guaranteed deliverables.